In April 2025, an enigmatic metallic sphere, about 50 centimeters in diameter, with engraved inscriptions was seen in the sky of Colombia, in the region of Buga. Two people from different points managed to film a spherical object in the sky. Its movements were irregular, moving up and down. The most unexpected thing happened when the sphere began to approach and descended completely. Witnesses claim that its movement became erratic until it finally fell to the ground after receiving an electric shock as it passed near high-voltage antennas. They found the sphere and took it home. Initially, the object weighed about 2 kilograms, but over time, its weight changed. In some measurements, the scale read almost 10 kilograms. Upon inspection, they noticed engravings on its surface, which looked like moons and triangles. In the center, they found what appeared to be a chip with more than 10 terminations. A video shared on social media shows an even more intriguing phenomenon. A woman pours water on the sphere, and inexplicably, it evaporates instantly, as if the object generated intense heat. But, in reality, it is cold, and when heat is applied, the sphere does not heat up. The circular object appears to have a belt with several holes around it. According to initial studies, there should be a joining point in this area, but no welds have been identified. Radiologist Jose Luis Velasquez subjected the sphere to an X-ray examination. Why the result revealed something disturbing. The artifact is composed of a single piece, with no visible joints, and inside it houses 16 microspheres distributed around a central core. Some experts have criticized the deformity in the lines of the symbol it contains. They say that, if it really is an extremely advanced object, it is difficult to explain why an engraving or a line is uneven. The first images aroused great expectation in the social networks. The Mexican journalist and researcher Jamie Mawson, upon seeing them, did not take long to travel to the South American country to analyze, personally, what has been called the sphere of Buga, which immediately he related to beings from other worlds. This finding prompted Mawson to take the object to Mexico with the intention of later transferring it to the United States, where he hopes that scientists and specialized laboratories can confirm or rule out a non-human origin. This case reminds us of a similar one that occurred on November 26, 2024, in Manchester, England. A sphere-shaped object the size of a small car descended vertically at about 27 kilometers per hour at the airport and stopped all activity. The object hovered several centimeters above the ground and then rose. The images were taken by the pilot from the cockpit of a commercial aircraft, and he had shared them on his personal account. However, within minutes he was told he had to take them down, but the photos were leaked thanks to other users. Captain Bigelow, who posted the images, as well as his partner, recorded it while descending and ruled out totally that it was a balloon probe or a drone. Although these are not the only cases, if we go back to 2018, several spheres fell in Peru. The National Commission for Aerospace Research and Development, Canada, Peru, showed 4 metallic spheres that fell from the sky on January 27, 2018 in the southern Andean region of Puno. The researcher of the Directorate of Astrophysics, Walter Guevara, spokesman for the commission, stated the following. According to initial investigations, they apparently have Russian or Ukrainian origin. The spheres, 3 of them of medium dimensions and another smaller one, fell in a rural area more than 1,300 kilometers south of Lima and bordering Bolivia. We think they are parts of one of the stages of a rocket that, for some reason we don't know, fell in that area. Shortly after, Canada added that a 5th similar sphere was located in Puno, and they intended to move it to Lima. Another case happened in January 2016 in Vietnam. Two strange metallic spheres impacted in different locations. The UK Metro newspaper reported that one of these spheres fell in remote lands in Tuen Quang province and a smaller one in a garden in Yen Bai province. A witness commented, "The sky was clear. Suddenly we heard a noise like thunder." The spheres were removed by the military, and no one gave an explanation of what happened. Of course, there are many spheres that have attracted the attention of researchers. One of the oldest is the mysterious Bet sphere, a small metal sphere of about 20 centimeters in diameter and about 20 kilograms in weight, which fell in 1974 near their home in Fort George Island, Florida. Some U.S. military personnel managed to persuade the Betts family to allow analysis of the enigmatic sphere. Eventually, the object was moved to Naval Air Station Jacksonville in Northeast Florida, where experts began its evaluation. In the 1960s, American astrophysicist and ufologist J. Allen Hynek reported on a stainless steel ball that included pure magnesium and was found in Brazil. Is it possible that all these spheres are related? Are they mere space debris, espionage devices, or evidence of the existence of non-human beings?